Kırgız жараны. Women leaders of the 21st century. Жансынзат Турганбаева. Жансынзат Турганбаева is 54 years old. She is the widow of Tabelda Egimberdiyev, the founder of the Sharo company. She has been managing the Supara complex for many years, which has become a hallmark of Kyrgyz ethnotourism. The main task of Jансынзат Турганбаева's life was the preservation and revival of the cultural heritage of Kyrgyzstan. This entrepreneur is also actively engaged in charity work. Part of her charity work is related to the preservation of Kyrgyz literature, including the epic Manas. One of the versions of this monumental poem included in the UNESCO list. Egimberdiyev drinks. When Tabelda turned 13, his father died, and he became the head of the family, the support of his younger brother Jumadil and sister Anarkan. He spent his childhood in Susamir, where he grazed sheep and collected dung. Having learned all the difficulties of rural life, Tabelda set high goals for himself. In 1972, the young man graduated from the Frunze Polytechnic Institute and received a degree in civil engineering. He started his career as a teacher, but because of his low salary, he began working as a foreman at a construction site. In 1990, Egimberdiyev became a member of the governing council of the Democratic Movement of Kyrgyzstan. He was its secretary and actively participated in the social political life of the country. He openly expressed his view on the social, political and economic problems of the time and wrote trenchant articles on these topics in the media. Tabelda's widowed mother, Suyunapa, always treated aksakals and young people with Maxim and Bozor. She loved to communicate with them and shared her life experiences. She left Maxim and Jarma every day to treat her fellow villagers. When Tabelda came to the city, he lacked his favorite drinks. Even if he did, the girls selling these drinks were hiding in corners, which made him feel resentful. It was then that Tabelda had the idea to revive and distribute these ancient national drinks, and so he founded the Sharo company. Also, Tabelda Egimberdiyev has his own monument. Asel Sardbayeva. Asel Sardbayeva is an outstanding chemical scientist from Kyrgyzstan who has made a significant contribution to world science, early years and education. Asel was born in 1977 in the city of Frunze, now Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. She was the eldest child in family. Her father studied design in Leningrad and her mother in Moscow. During her school years, Asel showed interest in natural sciences, especially physics and programming. After graduating from high school, she entered the Kyrgyz Russian Slavic University in the Faculty of Natural Sciences and Technology, becoming one of the first students in this field. Academic career. After receiving her degree from KSU, Asel aspired to continue her education abroad. Despite numerous rejections over the course of 6 years, her perseverance was rewarded. She received a scholarship to study at University of Cambridge, where she defended her dissertation on ion diffusion in silicon structures. In Cambridge, Asel met her future husband, Stefan. After completing her studies, they moved to the University of Arizona, where she continued her research. Asel later received a scholarship to Oxford, where she founded her own research group, dedicated to the study of zeolite crystalline structures made of silicon materials. Research and achievements. Asel Sardbayeva is known for her innovative method of stabilizing vaccines using silica, which allows them to be stored at room temperature without the need for a cold chain. This discovery has huge implications from improving access to vaccines in resource-limited regions. Her startup has attracted significant investments, which demonstrates the recognition of her work in the scientific community. Social activities. Asel actively promotes science among young people, especially among girls in Kyrgyzstan. In 2021, she was appointed an ambassador for the UNICEF Girls in Science program, where she conducts workshops and inspires young girls to choose a career in STEM disciplines. Awards and recognition. Asel Sardbayeva has received numerous awards for her research and contributions to science. She was included in the BBC's list of the 100 most influential women in the world in 2019. Her work has been recognized in international scientific communities, and she is regularly published in reputable journals. Цель is actively engaged in the popularization of science, especially among women and youth. The significance of her work. The technologies developed by Цель Сардбаева have the potential to transform the global health system, especially in countries with limited access to refrigeration. Her research shows how science can solve real social problems by making medicine more accessible to millions of people. Цель Сардбаева's biography is an example of how perseverance, talent and passion for science can not only lead to professional success, but also impact the world for the better. Айсулу Тыныбекова. Айсулу Тыныбекова is a famous Kyrgyz athlete, specializing in freestyle wrestling. She was born on the 2nd of December 1993 in Kyrgyzstan. Tыныбекова has achieved significant success in the international arena, becoming one of the leading wrestlers in her category. Айсулу Тыныбекова studied at the Kyrgyz State Technical University, named after Ishak Razakov. Tыныбекова is very popular now. She is an inspiration to many young athletes in Kyrgyzstan and beyond. She actively participates in the popularization of wrestling and sports in general, supporting initiatives for the development of youth sports. Her awards. In 2017, she was awarded the Denk Order for Achievements in Sports. In 2019, she was awarded the State Youth Prize of the Kyrgyz Republic, named after Chingiz Turikulovich Aytmatov, in the nomination Best Achievement in Sports. In 2021, she was awarded the Order of Manas, the second degree, for her achievements at the 32nd Summer Olympic Games in Tokyo. Charity. Айсулу decided to help and present the Folk, Sports and Recreation Complex, with fir trees which she and Vice Mayor of Bishkek planted on the perimeter of the Folk. Айсулу conducts master classes and trainings for young wrestlers, sharing her experience and knowledge. This helps young athletes to develop and achieve success in sports. In some cases, she has provided financial support to young athletes or sports organizations to help them prepare for and participate in competitions. Recognition. She is known not only in Kyrgyzstan but also abroad. In 2021, American director Rachel Sine made a film about the first adult world champion in the history of Kyrgyz wrestling, Айсулу Тыныбекова. It's called Айсулу Against the Wind. The women of Kyrgyzstan have made a tremendous contribution to the country's development, excelling in various fields such as politics, culture, science, and sports. Their achievements inspire new generations to take bold steps, stay determined, and strive for change. The stories of these three remarkable women are just a small part of the significant impact that Kyrgyzstan women have on society. Their example proves that strength of spirit, talent, and dedication can overcome any obstacles. In the future, the role of women in Kyrgyzstan's progress will continue to grow, contributing to the country's prosperity and development.